Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
See the one and only attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. We don't attack my people. But you know some people, one of my viewers send me a video and them say NEWLINK, more you check out the video and more you share the video because NEWLINK, you know there's some real people out there. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So check out this video, my people.
Ooh.
I'm going to lick you across the face with that board there.
Ooh.
Get up and come out.
Every night when I don't come in here, come
out.
Are you fit go out there?
Come out. You're not living there. Come out.
Come out there. Come out there.
Come out, man. Take up the things and come out.
Where?
What do you mean where? Nobody don't know you come out and go back to the gate where you find place coming here.
Who?
I come here, come the argument.
Who is you?
We say if you come out.
Hey, Stephen Edison.
Stop in eyes and find your people.
Yes,
them
sir.
place
Step in
and go. Come out and go on through the gate. What is doing?
What is doing?
I mean, I know say this yeah, they are born one owner.
One.
Come out, mister.
Who put here, sir?
Come out and go through the gate.
Stephen Edison, he has to come and come.
You know that man here? Say name Rude Boy.
Rude Boy. What happened?
Alright, Rude Boy, you hear me now? We live here as a past over 60 years. I will never hear nothing about no Rude Boy.
Rude Boy.
So might be a wrong place you crash in. You that drink or something? You wrong yard you come. You have to come out because I will get the clothes and wash up and now and beat up and sit. And you the right nice spot where I go use. So you have to go chat along, alright? No one lovely lady beat you up and batter your daddy because we don't abuse people,
no,
you
man,
understand?
we don't beat him, man. Just cooperate, daddy. Just cooperate. You hear me?
So might be a trouble with Alzheimer or something, so you stray from your house or something, so I record if you put it right out there for anybody who know you can come pick you up along the roadside, alright?
Argument.
Yeah, man. Now rise up yourself and make a move now, alright?
That big fragment drug kill out my bathroom and look while I run them out, you know.
Know that man, No bad man know daddy.
First me see this face there.
I first me see you.
See the same thing? Alzheimer come like
I first me see you. I come here, sir.
Yeah, there.
You see?
Get up, if you get up and go through the gate.
Every night when I want to talk, yes, sir.
What is doing?
I can't travel with Alzheimer or something, so, you know? In a age, you know, so doing a kick away, isn't it? Yeah, so I'm gonna wake up to this old man in the yard. I don't know where he come from. And him say him name Rude Boy, so nobody can look and say if them see man know him. Yeah, man. Him have cast eye. Well, you see it. No, you know, disrespect come on to him. I tell him, so you can't really move along because I go use up a place and you see it. Come, Rude Boy. Come back to your gate.
What?
I forgot you again.
I forgot you again. Seven nights, me no want to talk, so I will make yes, you know.
When me be that, so when I was 7-year-old, my father be that, that we never see you.
Me no want to argument, yes, sir.
Yeah, push you something reach in and we don't really want that, so we just want you just move along kindly.
Me no want no, just want no argument, yes, sir. Yes, I know feel we have me. Yes, sir. I will make yes, sir.
Sure you don't know this man? Daddy, which part you come from?
Which part you come from?
What are your parents about the place?
But wait,
Which yes you come from yes. What are your parents?
I'm a mother make yes so
What your mother name?
Miss Evelyn.
Miss
Dunn.
Evelyn.
Miss Evelyn Dunn. And she make yes so.
We never hear about her Miss Evelyn yet, Papa.
I will make yes. I will make yes yeah man.
Yeah.
How much you to have? How much you to get? You get no children?
No sir.
Yeah, that's a problem, you know. Ain't a problem, you know, cause the lady will come on and say when you say was bush, cane piece and all this. She get youth and I wanna youth them and talk to you then you tell her say shut up and sitting. So that's why I tell her say yeah. So that's why I tell her say no man your head part now screw on right so no. Either get a water or something.
I don't know where come here so I can head part no right and blah blah. And my mother make yes so. My mother. Evelyn Dunn make yes so.
Everything done no there so. I'm not it's a wrong place.
In your when we ready sometime around the grave, me go sit down, me and her and talk.
I'm no grave no there so. Let me tell you it's a wrong place I thought no grave no.
I'm go one side man. And that the plan, I don't want no argument yes so. And me and my mother make yes so.
So what your father?
I feel lady will live up front there. Me send cement from Kingston. Come make yes so. Me. You see? Lassell. I miss.
A wrong place said the daddy.
What should I want? Me don't want no argument yes so.
A wrong place to come. So like how we ask so kind if you move now, we have to go forcefully remove you know. You understand? I will go forcefully remove you now. So now I cut the video and man angle it and put a 3 gate now, alright? Alright.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, as you saw and you watch and you look for the video, you see an elder man there, so Zane. And honestly, my people, this elder man, like he must suffer from some dementia or some of them things, my people. You know what I mean? Like him, you know, when I reach certain age in a life and your last memory, some old people, when they reach certain levels of people, them look on them own youth and them even remember them name. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Because when age takes certain people, you know what I mean? That's a natural thing can affect them, my people. But my love, oh, the virgin, me have a sense special big up to the virgin and basically seem like the lady son. Oh, him deal with the elder. You understand? Because honestly, my people, some people that rough him up, some people that deal with my way. Because you can know, say, him out kind of, you know what I mean? But my people, but you don't know when you're there on a normal state, you know, yourself. You're not no control of that, my people. But I love the way how him deal with him. Him never deal with him rough, he never deal with him too tough. You know what I mean? At first, you can't hear, oh, moms did kind of, you know what I mean, the people. But I love and I respect how them know, you know what I mean? Even though I'm saying at the end, so I'm going to close off the video and then I'm going to put him out there. So wish, you don't know about me, just wish them could have just call the police. You know what I mean? I make the police take him up at the station and them can find him necessary family them. Because I tell them, my people, we him look, him don't look like nobody who homeless or nobody who up on the street. You see me? Him look like a somebody, as me say, I suffer from dementia or something like that. And him, you know, because when the people must suffer from dementia, you know, people, if you not give your hype on them, you know, and you left them for all 2 minutes, you know, they can walk through and do around the sun, gone out the road and straight gone for you miles away and you don't find them, you know. We see it happen over and over, my people. So I'm just saying, it can be one of them situations there, one of them there, yeah. So, me just say, yo, people, so the elder them, let we take care of the elder them. When we see them in the street, show love to them, show respect to them. You see me, because remember, you know, them elders and my people, they were there before. And a lot of them, we know that some of them do some things in them past, and we look on them and say, yo, the man did wicked and cruel in the past, you know. I know we are reaching me for suffering about. But you know, so me not pray them with them people. No, man. You know what I mean? Jaja forgive us, so we ever forgive them too. You see me, so let's just show some love. But as me say, special big up to the virgin who in the video and him say, yo, such and such and him, you know what I mean? Because I can see the brother have a real good heart, you know. That's why I say good people they are road same way, you know. Good people they are road same way. Because them could have deal with him some different way. Yeah, some people are yard right now. Them with a rough him up, then they tough him up, them that fling him, them a drag him and a joke thing. I tell you. You see me? Then who they deal with him so. But as me say, me love the fact and the way how them deal with them, man. But you don't know a road boy, big up yourself. If you do a same saying name, you know, road boy. Big up yourself, road boy. And I wish your family them can find you. So if them not find you already, I hope that video can reach to anybody who know a road boy and help. You see me? In family, for reach him and locate him, my people. Because, yo, it's a joy if you see when we can connect to the elder them. You know what I mean? But me say, as this a man, he mean a nice, clean, close to people. Him not look like nobody out there we are suffer. You know what I mean? He look like a smarty we are get good take care of. But he just one of them day that when him kind of just slip up and make that move there. You see me? So my people, big up on yourself, man. And more love, more respect, and more blessings. And what they are, what today, what them say, the 1st of June 2025. And what they upon it, my people, do the right thing. You know what I mean? Give thanks to life every day, my people. Love your brothers, love your sister. You see me? I say, show love, my people. Show love. Because at the end of the day, love is the conqueror. Peace out. Big up.